Right, so I've got everything all set up here for you. I did get you the white drape, so I'm just gonna lay this over you for a sense of privacy, during the examination that we're gonna do for you today. Provider that's gonna be seeing you today at the urgent care. How are you? Good. So, can you tell me a little bit about what's bringing you in today? You feel like you've been using the restroom more often? Do you notice anything different with your urine, color, blood? Not really. Okay. Any other symptoms that you're noticing? A little bit of lower back pain? Okay. Urgency. Gotcha. Does it burn at all when you pee? Not really burn, but just like a little bit uncomfortable. Okay. Anyone close to you sick at all right now? Do you yourself have any fever, chills? Okay. Any sexual health concerns? Any new sexual partners or recent activity? Any new prescription medication or supplements? And how long have those symptoms been going on for now? And on a scale of 1 to 10, how badly would you rate the back pain you're having? And are you having any pelvic pain at all? Okay. And when was the first day of your last menstrual period? Okay. Are you using any methods of birth control at the moment? Okay. For how long now? What year do you know that you had that in? Okay. Are there any medications you are taking right now to manage any health conditions we should be made aware of? Okay. And any new recent surgeries? Any medication allergies? Okay. Any allergies to like latex or seasonal? And I just want to confirm that you feel safe at home. Okay. Do you smoke or drink alcohol? And how often? Okay. Have you ever had these symptoms before? In the past year? Gotcha. I see. It definitely sounds like it, but we'll do a thorough assessment just to make sure we're on the right track here. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to get your vitals. We'll get your blood pressure, your temperature, just make sure everything appears stable. Then we'll do a quick assessment, kind of focus more on your abdominal area, and we'll definitely ask for a urine sample as well, just to get down to the bottom of it, okay? All right, so let me grab a sheet here so we can put your vitals, attach it to your clipboard. All right, well, I am just going to grab some gloves. All right, is there an arm preference that you have? This one? Okay, yeah, no problem. You just keep that flat for me there. Just gonna put this around your arm. Make sure it's nice and secure. second here, okay? Okay, blood pressure is normal, so that's good. We'll get that extra air out for you here. Oh, let me just disconnect this. Okay. Can you slide your arm out? There you go. The next thing I'm going to get is just a temperature check. And this is a sublingual. It goes right underneath your tongue. Okay. Say, ah. There you go. Close down. There you go. Temperature is good, no signs of fever, so that's great. Okay, I'm gonna pack this away here. Alright, pack that away. Let me just write your vitals here in your chart before I forget. And how tall are you? And how much do you weigh roughly? Okay. Perfect. While I have you here, I am just going to do a general assessment and assess your lymph nodes to see if any of them are swollen. You let me know if you get too uncomfortable. Knowing the size, shape, mobility, and consistency. Okay. Let's see. Seems okay there. I'm going to take a quick listen to your heart and lungs. I'm just going to move your count over just a little bit. Can you take a deep breath in for me? In, out. In, and out. In, and out. In, and out. And breathe normal for me, please. Heart sounds are good. Okay, I'm gonna move the gown over here now by your abdomen. Right, I'm gonna do a general skin inspection, so don't mind me. Okay, and I am gonna want to press on your abdomen now. We'll start superficially. You let me know if anything causes you pain. More deep pressing now. Okay. Percussion. Just gonna do some taps. Do you think you can kind of push on over to your side here? Just need to tap on your back. Thank you. Any pain? Kind of minimal, but you're not jumping up, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna roll this back down now. The next thing I am going to need is a urine sample. I have a very high suspicion you probably have a urinary tract infection like you've had previously, and I know you were kind of thinking along those lines as well. So let me just label a cup and put your name on it here with your patient identifier. And then we'll meet back here to dip your urine together, and then you'll be made aware of the results. So in the bathroom, there's going to be some wipes. I'm going to need you to wipe from front to back really well before you urinate. And then once you start peeing, you'll put the cup down there and leave that sample, and we'll be in. We'll bring it in to kind of see how that comes out. So I'm going to leave this next to you here. Any questions on how to leave that urine sample? Okay, cool. Well, let me give you some privacy to come back in with that sample, and then we'll get it dipped. All right, so thank you so much for leaving the urine sample. I'm just going to confirm your patient identifiers on here, and then we'll get that opened up. This is the urinalysis test strip to kind of help see and confirm if you have an infection. But of course, we'll want to send to the lab for a culture to be absolutely certain, and we can find out what type of bacteria may have caused it, if it is a UTI. So I am just going to dip this in here. You left very little urine, and it's quite clear, practically see-through. So at least you're hydrated today. All right. So I do see some signs of blood and bacteria, which could be indicative of a UTI. And you said you had no medication allergies, right? Okay. Alright, let me see here. I think I may have some antibiotics that I can get you started on. Do you have water? That's okay. I have a cup of water here that I could give you. So we'll actually give you your first dose of antibiotics here. And this will help prevent, kidney infection as well. So I'm going to pop 2 of these out. You can get started on the antibiotics we have in office. But I am actually going to write you a script so you can pick up the full 5-day course. And you'll just take this to the local pharmacy, and the pharmacist will give you the antibiotics. Let me tear this off. I will leave this right next to you here. And then I'm going to send your urine out for a urine culture to confirm the organism. But the antibiotic that you'll be taking right now and that I'm sending to your pharmacy basically treats like 95% of the infections anyway. In the rare case yours is resistant to what I gave you, I'll just give you a call. But outside of that, you always want to make sure you urinate after having intercourse, wipe from front to back, and stay really well hydrated throughout the day. You also want to avoid holding in your bladder, holding in your urine if you feel like you have to pee for long periods of time. But if at any point you start to develop significant worsening back pain, fever, or chills, these are signs you want to go straight to the hospital, because for some people, UTIs can complicate into kidney infections, where the bacterial infection spreads up in your kidneys, and this could even be life-threatening. So please, 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 if feeling ill or you feel like symptoms are getting worse, always go to the hospital. Yeah, absolutely. Do you have any other questions or concerns regarding our workup for today in diagnosis? Seems pretty straightforward. Awesome. So I'll have you take the antibiotic. You are good to get dressed as you'd like. And then the girls will see you at checkout. You're so very welcome. Have a good one.